Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You should be an administrator on the PC and close all browser windows first. Open Start, type Settings, then choose Apps and Features, and use the search box to find Microsoft Edge Update or Edge Update. Once found, click the item to reveal the Uninstall button. This is the first actionable removal step. Make sure you note whether other Edge components are listed so you can address them next. Performing these steps sets you up to remove the updater cleanly. Click Uninstall and accept any permission prompts. You may need to run as administrator. Once the uninstaller runs, open Services by pressing Windows + R, typing Services, MSC, and locate Microsoft Edge Update Services. Stop and disable them to prevent restart. Next, check Task Scheduler for any Edge Update tasks and delete them. After stopping services and tasks, browse Program Files and Program Files, x86, to delete remaining Edge Update folders, making sure you empty the recycle bin afterward to finalize removal. Restart the computer to ensure services do not relaunch, and then verify in Apps and Features that Microsoft Edge Update is gone. If the browser behaves oddly after removal, reinstall Microsoft Edge from the official installer to restore browser components without the updater. Make sure to run System File Checker and DISM if system integrity seems affected. These tools repair corrupted files. If you encounter a reinstall loop, check for enterprise policies or configuration profiles that re-enable Edge Update and remove those settings. That usually stops repetition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.